Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video I have showed how to search data from SQL table using language integrated query LINQ. In this video I will show you how to update data in SQL table using language integrated query LINQ. Let's go to my C# code. Stop the program. Go to design view. Create the update button, click event. For updating data, first you have to search the value from the database. So I'll copy searching code, copy, paste. I will delete the search code. So user will provide the employee ID, and by this line of code it will search the value and put it the data variable. And update is like insert, so we will copy the code from insert, copy, for updating data we have to update this data variable, so we will take the value from the control and update this data variable. Here I will set data instead of table object, data dot copy, and for updating data we don't need this line of code. Here is this, and here I will edit the literal text. Employee information successfully updated, and after updating it will show all data to data grid view with updated value. For this I will call this line of code. I will create a method here by refactoring to reuse the code. Refactoring, extract method, show all data, apply, copy the method name and set in the update block. So this is the code for update. At first I will take the value from the txt emp id text box, then search the value from the table of the database, then I will update the data variable again from the ASP.NET control with new value, and after getting the value I will change the database and show the message in the literal and show all data with updated value to data grid. Let's run it. Just see the data again. Suppose I want to update 101, search by 101, search. I will update this with new name, Mike, date of birth, male, salary 7,000, update. See, employee information successfully updated and new value showing in the data grid view. Let's check in the database, select, see, this is the mic with 101. Let's update another data 104, 104, search, name will be Duke, date of birth, male, salary $2,000, update. Employee information successfully updated. Let's see in 104, say data updated successfully. So this is how you can update SQL table data with language integrated query LINQ. That's all for today. If you think this video will be helpful for your ASP.NET learning, then do like, share and comments and subscribe to my channel. You can write the code by pausing the video, or you can collect this code from our Facebook group. The Facebook group link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.